Planning a trip to Morocco? Here are 3 must-do adventures that will make your trip unforgettable. Whether you're a thrill seeker or a culture lover, these experiences will give you a taste of the magic Morocco has to offer. You won't want to miss this, especially the last one. It's like stepping into a whole new world. Wander the blue streets of Chefchaouen. This little gem of a town is famous for its blue-washed buildings. It's like stepping into a fairy tale. Every corner is Instagram-worthy, and you can spend hours getting lost in the narrow, peaceful streets. Visit Aït Ben Haddou. Step into history at this ancient fortified village, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and backdrop for movies like Gladiator and Game of Thrones. Its stunning earthen clay architecture will transport you back in time. You'll feel like you've walked straight into an epic film set. Explore the Sahara Desert. Imagine riding a camel through endless golden dunes, camping under the stars, and waking up to the most stunning desert sunrise. This is an adventure that takes you right into the heart of Morocco's natural beauty. Ready to experience these Moroccan adventures for yourself? Visit MoroccoFabulousTravel.com now to explore our exclusive Morocco tours and book your dream trip today. Don't miss out. Spots fill up fast.